Ladies and gentlemen, let me greet you with the standard Hebrew greeting, which is also a prayer, a deeply found and deeply needed prayer. Shalom, shalom, peace, peace, peace unto those who are near and peace unto those who are far. Rumi's funeral, followed by 40 days of mourning, was attended by Muslims, Jews, Christians, Persians, and Greeks, and still other nationalities and religious communities. He was so beloved because he transcended all divisions. In one of his poems, he says, "I am neither Christian, nor Jew, nor Muslim. I have put my duality away. One I seek, one I know." All of us are part of the same religious illumination which began with Abraham. Whatever may be our differences, what unites us is far more important than what divides us. We worship the same God.
Each individual, each group, each culture sees God's creation, benefits from its bounty, its blessing, its beauty. The dawn talks to those in Tehran, the same as those in Damascus, the same as those in Washington, the same as those in Bogota. We are one people, a part of the human race. President Kennedy said many, many years ago, we all breathe the same air, we all cherish our children's future, and we are all mortal.